So first we have the thyroid gland right here above the heart. It's part of the endocrine system, and its function is to secrete the thyroid hormone, which controls the metabolic rate of the body, and it also stimulates tissue to produce other hormones throughout the body. Next we have the aorta, which is the bright blue right here. It is part of the cardiovascular system, and its job is to transport oxygenated blood from the heart to the rest of the body. Then we have the heart right here. It is part of the cardiovascular system, and its job is to pump blood throughout the body, which gives O2 and nutrients to tissues, and it also removes carbon dioxide and other wastes. Then we have the spleen, which is part of the lymphatic and immune system. It filters blood by removing old, malformed, or damaged red blood cells. Then we have the larynx, which is part of the respiratory system right here. It is also called the voice box, and it produces vocal sounds and prevents food from going into the lower respiratory tract. Next we have the diaphragm, which was accidentally cut, but it is right here underneath the lungs, and the lungs are right here. The diaphragm is part of the respiratory system, and when you inhale, it contracts and pulls air into the lungs, and when you exhale, it relaxes, forcing air out of the lungs. Next we have the gallbladder, right here. It is part of the digestive system, and it stores bile that is produced by the liver while food is not being digested. Then we have the colon, which is this whole section. It is also part of the digestive system, and its job is to reabsorb fluids and process waste material from the body, and it also prepares for elimination. Then we have the kidneys. One is right here, and the other is right here. The kidneys are part of the urinary system, and they remove waste products, drugs, and other toxins through urine. They also return hormones and amino acids into the bloodstream. Then we have the testes, which are part of the male reproductive system. One of them is right here, and the other is right here. Their function is to make testosterone and to also produce sperm.